In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect A50 headset to your phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Astro A50s are primarily designed to be used in a PC or a console. Because of this, they don't have Bluetooth technology in mind, because like I said, they aren't designed to be used on your phone. However, you will be able to do some sort of workaround to get them to work. Keep in mind that you will still need to use the base station, so sadly, you won't be able to take them outside and keep them close, because like I said, you will need the base station to be nearby to use it. So all that you have to do is use the proper adapter to connect the base station to your mobile device. Usually, this is going to be a 3.5mm adapter. By doing this, you will be able to find them there, and once they are properly connected, they will work flawlessly. So you just need to connect the base station, dock your Astro A50s, and as soon as this is done, they will automatically connect to the phone. Now, depending on the model of A50 that you have, you might actually be able to use Bluetooth. So if you have the Astro A50X, you will be able to use Bluetooth, which is extremely easy. So instead of doing this with the base station by using an adapter, if you have the A50X, you can just enable Bluetooth on your device and then put the headset into pairing mode. Once the A50X are in pairing mode, you can choose it from under the list, and then you will be able to connect them that way. It is much easier to do, and this will only work if you have the A50X, because like I mentioned, the standard A50s do not have Bluetooth, so keep that in mind. Either use an adapter if you have the standard model, or enable Bluetooth on your A50X if you have that one. This will work for any phone that supports Bluetooth, regardless of the model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect A50 headset to your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.